Vegas from Sneaky Sound System. We are very excited. You are christening our balcony. How exciting!
Well,
I know.
and a lovely balcony.
As a pulse of my beating heart.
Best thing too is that we've got all these people in their high-rise and everything that are going to be watching as well. I can just see this building a tradition here. We're in Broadbeach, there's a lot of people sort of around. They would just hear you shortly and they'll be saying, what the hell's going on?
I know. How exciting.
It is very exciting.
We've already got someone taking some photos up there. We might even get a few out in the balcony. What do you think?
I think there's someone having a beer up there.
There's a whole lot of listeners actually that won this morning because you came on the radio this morning with us to have a chat, so they're all here to actually see you perform. So
oh, that's lovely.
Yeah, it's very cool. It's very nice. Yeah. And are you going to be hanging around the Gold Coast for much longer? I think 2 more days?
Yeah, nice. We've got a surprise gig tonight at Elsewhere. It's not a surprise anymore.
No.